Come test drive the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible occupant rollover protection, power heated outside mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.